Welcome back guys. As you can see, today I will be doing the unboxing of the Samsung latest flagship phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra starts at $1300 US. It is a flagship phone with so many features that it could make you greedy. It's a highly advanced note-taking device with a powerful 50x zoom camera and even a mini Xbox and desktop PC all rolled into one gadget. So let's get started. So talking about the box, we've got the S Pen on the top of the box and some Note 20 Ultra 5G branding here. On the bottom of the box we can see we have the model number here and the color of the device, which is the Mystic Bronze for this case. So on the back side we've got what the contents we have in the packaging. So we've got one Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, one S Pen, one wall charger and USB charger, and one quick start guide. So as you can see, I also have the buds live here, so we will be unboxing it later and see what we get with the buds. So let's quickly open up the box and see what we have got inside. So here is the device itself. This is the Mystic Bronze color. You do have an option of Mystic Black and Mystic White, but if you are going for the Ultra variant, I recommend that you buy the Mystic Bronze color, because according to me this is the best color they have launched in the Ultra version. We do have some green color in the Note 20, but we'll look at that later. So let's keep the device side for 1 second and see what we have got in the box. So this is the 25 watt super fast charging power brick we get with the Note 20 Ultra, and they should have the extra ear tips for the S Pen, but for some weird reason they are not giving you right now in the North American region, so we have to live with that. So here we have got the USB-C to C power cable. I think this is 1 meter long power cable and should serve you the purpose for now. Here's your quick start guide, which no one reads anymore. So yeah, that's all we get with the box. So now we can have the actual look at the device. Let's boot up the device. So as you can see, I've set up my phone. So the display is crystal clear and it is one of the best displays on a smartphone. So the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a huge 6.9-inch display with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate. So let's quickly go into the settings and see what we have got here. Software information. So we have got One UI 2.1 here, Android 10, and so now let's talk about the specifications of the device. So we have got Android 10 running on the device, which is the latest from Google. We also get One UI 2.5 from Samsung. So the display of the device is 6.9 inches, which is a Super AMOLED display, which is a quad HD display, which offers a 120Hz refresh rate. The CPU we get for the North American region is Snapdragon 865 Plus. For other regions and India we get Samsung's Exynos 990 processor. So for the RAM we got a 12 GB of RAM, and the storage on the device is 128 GB and 512 GB. So now let's talk about the camera setup we have got in the back with a huge bump on the back side. Personally I'm okay with the bump, but that depends upon your personal choice. So the camera setup we have got here is we have got a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, then we have got 108 megapixel wide camera, then we have got 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. We have also got the new laser autofocus on the device, and this is one of the best camera setups out there, and the huge rings around the camera lenses look perfectly fine and makes the device more elegant. So for the battery we get 4500 mAh battery, which gives you a backup of 10 hours and 26 minutes when you are using 120 Hz refresh rate. For the color options we have the Mystic bronze color, which we have right here, Mystic black color, Mystic white color, and the weight of the device is not too heavy. It's around 7.33 ounces, which is a pretty good deal. So now let's talk about the S Pen. So the position of the S Pen is changed. It used to be on the right side, but this time we have the S Pen on the left side. So the response time of the S Pen is changed to 9 milliseconds, which gives you a feel that you are writing on a paper. So this is very close to the what Apple offers with their iPad. The scribbling on this panel feels like completely natural, to the point that you forget that you are writing on a paper. It is very smooth, and Samsung have additionally added some audio sound to it. Samsung has also added a sound effect to the S Pen, as if you are writing it on a board or a piece of paper. So this phone is packed with many features. Some of them I'm going to show you right now. So we have a wireless power share feature. We have a link to Windows feature. This is with their partnership with Microsoft. You have to just install an app and you can connect your phone wirelessly through the app to your laptop or any tablet. So they have the Smart View. If you have a smart TV, you can cast your screen through the Smart TV Miracast services. They have the wireless DeX. It is one of the best things I have tried so far on this device. So we have nearby sharing. We have the screen recorder inbuilt. We have a music share, Dolby Atmos sound, Bixby routines, call and text on other devices. So at this price, if you are paying like $1,300 for this, so this price they have to pack so many features in the device. The Samsung flagship phones are always packed with so many features that even after 1 or 2 years you find a new feature in their devices hidden somewhere. So according to me, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the most versatile big screen phone yet, making it best for the power users who are willing to pay a premium price for a premium experience. The only con of this phone is that it is very expensive and the camera bump is pretty big, but I don't care about the camera bump personally. On the other hand, we get a dynamic 6.9-inch 120Hz display, a smoother S Pen performance. You can stream Xbox games on this device with no lag through their Xbox Cloud services. We get a powerful 50x zoom camera and a laser autofocus, which brings a very good battery life to this device. This device also has a LTPO display which has a variable refresh rate, so the device can adjust the refresh rate according to what you are seeing on the device. So now let's talk about the Galaxy Buds Lives. These are the latest addition to the Samsung Galaxy Buds family. So let's have a look at the box. This is the Mystic black color. So we've got the ergonomic fit, 6 to 21 hours of playtime, triple mic for clear call, and active noise cancellation. So these are tuned by the AKG. So let's quickly open up the box. So here we have the Buds itself. So here we've got the Buds. Let's keep it aside for a second. Let's see what else we have got in the box. So we have a USB A to USB C type cable. We have got some additional ear tips for the Galaxy Buds Live, and we have got some quick start guide for the buds itself. So yeah, these are the Galaxy Buds. They have a pretty unique shape, and yeah, that's all I can say about it. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are good true wireless earbuds. They have a number of neat features and offer a combined of 24 hours battery life, but their sound isn't amazing and the noise cancellation needs a lot of room for improvement. They are unique in their own way, but if you are looking for a good sound, then go for other brands. You can get a pretty good sound quality with some other devices out there in the same price range.